In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a drop-down list in Google Sheets. Before we begin, make sure your spreadsheet is open and you know exactly where you want your choices to appear. First, select the cell or cells that should contain the drop-down. You can click a single cell or click and drag to highlight a range if you want the same list to appear in multiple places. If your items are in a whole column, it's often easiest to select the column header so the rule applies down the entire column. And if you need non-adjacent cells, hold Control on Windows or Command on Mac while you click each one. Whatever you select now is where your drop-down will live, so take a moment to get that selection right. Next, open the Data Validation Rules panel. Go to the Data menu at the top of Google Sheets, choose Data Validation, and then click Add Rule. This opens a sidebar where you'll set up the list. You'll see the range you just selected at the top, so double-check it matches what you intended. If not, you can adjust it here without going back to the sheet. Now it's time to add your options. In the value fields, you'll type each item you want people to be able to choose from. Type the first item, press Enter, and a new field appears so you can keep adding. You can also click Add another item after each entry if you prefer. Keep your options short, clear, and consistent. For example, either use full words or abbreviations, but not a mix, so your data stays clean. If you already have a prepared list somewhere, you can paste items into these fields one after another to save time. Watch out for extra spaces or accidental duplicates, since those will show up exactly as typed in the dropdown. If you need to change the order, you can adjust the items so the most common choices appear at the top. Once your values are in, return to the sheet and click one of the selected cells. You'll see a small arrow on the right. Click it to open the dropdown and choose an item. Try a few cells in your selection to confirm everything looks the way you want. If you ever need to edit the list or apply it to a different range, just go back to Data, open Data Validation, and tweak the rule there. That's all there is to it. Your dropdown is ready to keep entries consistent and your data tidy.